Emiliana Designs, where I help YouTubers and creatives get spiritually and digitally aligned with their creative side through business graphics, YouTube graphics, and Procreate illustrations. Hey y'all, here's a quick little promo of a service that I have on my website called Illustrated Selfie. All you have to do is click the link down below my website, upload your selfie, and get a recreation. Hey, what's up with Pop, y'all? It's your girl, Emiliana Designs, and in today's video, you guys will see me working on DeAnna Monet's new YouTube intro. So guys, this video isn't necessarily a tutorial. You can just kind of watch what I'm doing. I wasn't able to record the whole thing because I have short space on my iPad right now. So I'm super in love with her intro. Like, every time that I make an intro, I try to make the intro different from another intro that I make. So this is going to be my sample intro. So I was like, hey, do you mind if, I use your pictures and showcase that I know how to do intros for other people who may want an intro? And she gave me the green light. I can't wait to see what music she puts with it. Now, I had a song, just for the showcase on my Instagram. So make sure you guys are following me on Instagram, which is Emiliana_designs. It's very important to follow my Instagram so that you guys can see my work, what kind of banners I'll be making, what kind of, thumbnails I have available for you guys to choose, like a different style of thumbnail. So it's very important that you view my Instagram, follow it, and make sure that you even like my type of designs before making an order. Now, if you guys want to make an order, I would advise you to go through Instagram, look at my Instagram first, and then click the link in my bio, then press book me, and then you'll find the listing of services that I have and the pricing as well. I have 3 different packages when it comes to the intros, and they fit certain needs and they fit certain budgets. So I feel like I gave a good range of price and a good range of what you can get within each package according to your budget. So besides the YouTube graphics, you guys should know that I have an affirmations coloring book called Align by Design for creatives and entrepreneurial spirits. I usually have that coloring book playing towards the end of my videos on both of my YouTube channels. And I also sell digital stickers for digital planners. The program that I'm using to create all of my intros is KeyNote. I kind of want to find another program though. I feel like there is another program, but I don't know what it is because people don't share it. I mean, why not share it? But anywho, I'm just a sharer, so I show you guys how I know how to do stuff. So if you're new to my channel, welcome to Emiliana Designs. I upload every Tuesday for Tutorial Tuesdays. Now, it may not be a step-by-step tutorial. It might just be a show and tell type of tutorial, and you just watch what I do as you see here. My previous video was a video about how to start your own merch line using Teespring and how to find apparel mock-ups. If you don't know what mock-ups are, they're basically like they're professional stock photos that people use to display their products. You've probably seen it a lot on Instagram. I have that video, as well as if you sell digital products on Etsy, I also have how to create your own mock-ups for principles on my channel as well, and I'll try to leave both of those in the cards for you guys. So this is about the ending of the video of where I stopped screen recording what I was doing for her intro, and you guys will see in a second how the intro turned out. Please leave your comments below and suggest any design videos that you need help on. I'll see y'all on my next one. It's your girl, Emiliana Designs.
Accept who you are and stand by your own definition of beauty. The infamous promo pic. Live life with intention and execution. It'll make your soul dance. And it has makeup, because you know how makeup, there's like concealer. So it says, don't conceal anything. Get ready for transformation. I love that.